Hi there. Let's learn how to create a page and add sections to your FastField form. When building a form in the FastField Form Builder, you may find it helpful to organize your form fields into pages and sections. Before that, let us see in detail about pages, sections, and fields in a FastField form. Pages in Form Builder help to organize the form. A section is used to organize fields within a page into logical groups on your form, and fields are components of a form that the user fills out. This tutorial provides step-by-step instructions to edit the page name and section name. Click the Page Name field and update the page name. To add a section name, click on the Section Name text field and click OK. Find the key icon and text. It will have a generic name, Section 1. We have successfully updated the page and section names. Right now, we have a one-page form for a single section. To add more, expand the Pages and Sections panel and then click the white plus sign button. You can rearrange pages and sections anytime by clicking and dragging. To edit a page or section, just click on the pencil button on the right. You can also copy or delete pages or sections from these windows. Once you save the form, you know that a new panel appears. You can use this panel to assign a form to a library. This quick panel option allows you to view different pages or sections quickly and easily.